Hello, this is a recording for Saturday, January 31st. Today's practice is titled Slow Your Roll and is designed to help you quickly slow yourself down when your mind is racing so that you can come back to balance easier. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. Again, this is going to be a breathing practice. So now inhale deeply for a count of 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. And exhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, satisfying breaths in through your nose. 1, 2, 3. And exhaling through your nose as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay with that. Maybe my count was too fast or too slow. You find your own. Just inhale through your nose for 3 counts. Exhale through your nose for 4 counts. Now we're going to try to slow it down a bit. And if it doesn't work in your body, don't worry. Stay with what works. If you can slow it down, do it. Let's try it together. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Grounding. Find your own pace that may be a bit slower than before. Inhaling for 3 counts. Exhaling for 4 counts. After a few rounds of this, see if you can slow down even more, keeping the same count. Inhaling for 3, exhaling for 4, but perhaps a bit slower. And again, if it doesn't work for you, don't force it. Stay with your regular breath. It will be as beneficial as this one. If you can, though, continue for a little longer with each new breath in and out, slowing down more and more, but keeping the same count. Inhaling for 3, exhaling for 4. So you exhale for a little longer than you inhale. I'll be silent for a while, giving you space to discover it for yourself. Now come back to your regular breath and just notice if anything changed in your quote-unquote default breathing pattern. If nothing changed, it's fine. If something changed, equally fine. Just paying attention. And now bring your hands to your heart. And as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to try out this practice when you notice that your mind is racing. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.